The first step of this process we call gathering information and getting informed. We find for you to make great decisions, you need to have the right information before you start. This information can generally be gathered in one of three different ways, depending on the scale of your project. If you're working within an existing space, this can be done by as simple as getting a site measure. During this site measure, we also document any technical capabilities that might impact on your future ideas. The second way to gather information is to get a file view. We would suggest gathering this information where you're considering renovations to your home over a longer period of time, or you're looking at making structural modifications or the like. This is gathering the information from your local council, which has the building permit history of your home, including its plans and drainage and plumbing requirements. This can be very handy in understanding the story behind your home. Most councils now have a charge to retrieve this file, but if you're looking to continue the journey of your home, this can be important documentation. The last way to gather information is to meet one of our experts on site. This is your chance to develop your ideas by bouncing around concepts to make sure that they're practical and feasible to achieve. We call this meeting Getting Empowered. Some common questions that get asked at this meeting are, can I remove this wall? Could I make this window larger? Can I move this to over here? Not all those questions might be able to be answered on the day, but we can certainly give you some direction which might help you shape your ideas. We're also lucky enough within our extended organisation to have experts in most specific areas. While we're out on site, we can also provide some feedback in regards to other improvements you might be able to achieve to your house simply. Renovation Insider, a better way to start your home improvement.